Ben here at Walser Mazda, and today we're going to walk through the home screen. So you might have just purchased a 2026 Mazda CX-5, so we're going to kind of guide you through some of the capabilities with the screen. So as you can see, the bottom here is kind of your main navigation bar. If you go up and click right here on the auto, you're just going to have your AC, your heated seats will be in here, will live in here as well. Looking here, you have your temperature, so if you want to adjust that, you can adjust up or down. Right now it's hot, so you want to leave it on low. You can adjust the fan speeds as well, so those really hot summer days or the really cold winter days, you can turn those up and down. Next right here, you're going to have your driving features. So if you want to drive in sport mode, normal for everyday driving, if you're going to be taking it off-road, you can kind of toggle through there as well. Going up here into safety, you're going to have all of Mazda's safety features in here. So blind spot awareness, adaptive cruise control, all those things can be turned on and off through here just by simply pressing on them. Going next to here, you have the little home icon, which is going to be your main home page. This will have maps and music playing, kind of be the center of all of your entertainment. Then if you click here, you'll have your map, which right now we have paired to Apple CarPlay. We actually have filmed a video on how to connect your Apple CarPlay, so if you would like to learn more on how to do that, there will be a link in the description, so go ahead and check that out. Last of all, we'll have your 9-box with all of your different applications, Google Assistant, efficiency, energy monitoring. So if you go into iActive Sense as well, this will kind of have some of that surrounding vehicles around you if you're driving in traffic, your efficiency. So some of the more techie side of the car, if you're looking at miles per gallon, the odometer, trip A, trip B, you can kind of track all of that in there. Then you'll have your settings at the end. So if you're looking at climate control, safety, vehicle network, anything you need to connect or any setting you may need to adjust will be in here.